Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German for Beginners with Vardhan. In the previous lesson, you learned what is a verb, the verb structure and what are regular and irregular verbs. In this lesson, we are going to study about regular verbs in details. Lektion 17 Regelmäßige Verben. Once again, Lektion 17 Regelmäßige Verben. That means Lesson 17 Regular Verbs. Let's first look at the learning objectives. We will first learn the basic conjugation for a regular verb in the present tense. After that, we will be conjugating few regular verbs. And at the last, we will be doing a small exercise. Verbkonjugation im Präsens. Once again, Verbkonjugation im Präsens. That means verb conjugation in present tense. We learned the structure of the verb in the previous lesson. There is a stem of the verb known as Verbstamm and an ending known as Endung. While conjugating a regular verb, the Verbstamm doesn't change. The endung is dependent on the subject. Here you can see how a normal regular verb is conjugated. Whenever we conjugate a verb, we do that with the help of pronouns. There are pronouns in singular or in plural. You can either learn this table or remember the conjugations for each verb. This table is for regular verbs only. Ich will always have Verbstamm plus es ending. With du, the ending will always be st. With the four pronouns which are sie used for you, wir used for we, sie that is used for you all, and sie used for they, we always use the ending en. In ers, you will take the Verbstamm and just add a t at the end. Same you also do with the pronoun ihr. Now it's time to conjugate some verbs. Just listen and repeat after me. The first verb is lernen. Once again, lernen. That means to learn. And the conjugations are ich lerne, du lernst, Sie lernen, sie es lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen, sie lernen. If you remember the ending, the verbs are very easy to conjugate. The next verb is spielen. Once again, spielen. That means to play. Ich spiele, du spielst, sie spielen, sie es spielt, wir spielen, ihr spielt, sie spielen, sie spielen. Here is the next verb. Wohnen. Once again, wohnen. That means to live. Ich wohne, du wohnst, sie wohnen, sie es wohnt, wir wohnen, ihr wohnt, sie wohnen, sie wohnen. The next verb is arbeiten. Once again, arbeiten. That means to work. And the conjugations are ich arbeite, du arbeitest, sie arbeiten, sie es arbeitet, wir arbeiten, ihr arbeitet, sie arbeiten, sie arbeiten. Moving on to the next verb. Studieren. Once again, studieren. That means to study. And the conjugations are Ich studiere. Du studierst. Sie studieren. Sie es studiert. Wir studieren. Ihr studiert. Sie studieren. Sie studieren. Now we come to the verb kaufen. Once again, kaufen. That means to buy. Ich kaufe. Du kaufst. Sie kaufen. Sie es kauft. Wir kaufen. Ihr kauft. Sie kaufen. Sie kaufen. There are also some special cases. There are few verbs which ends on either S or the beta sign or Z. For example, niesen. Once again, niesen. That means to sneeze. And tanzen. Once again, tanzen. That means to dance. In these cases, when we conjugate with do, the ending st becomes t. Here are the two verbs. The first one is niesen. Once again, niesen. That means to sneeze. Ich niese. Du niest. Sie niesen. Sie es niest. Wir niesen. Ihr niest. Sie niesen. Sie niesen. As you can see, in the conjugation of do, we just take the ending t and not st. This is because the verb stem already has a s. Let's look at the second verb. Tanzen. Once again, tanzen. That means to dance. Ich tanze. Du tanzt. Sie tanzen. Sie es tanzt. Wir tanzen. Ihr tanzt. Sie tanzen. Sie tanzen. Here also the conjugation of do just takes the ending t and not st. There are some more special cases. Verbs with a verb stem ending with d or t, for example, antworten. Once again, antworten. That means to answer. And warten. Once again, warten. That means to wait. When conjugating these verbs with do, you do not use the ending st but est. This is because of the pronunciation of the verb. When conjugating the verb with as or ear, you will use it in the place of t. Here is the conjugation for antworten. Ich antworte. Du antwortest. Sie antworten. Sie es antwortet. Wir antworten. Ihr antwortet. Sie antworten. Sie antworten. As you can see here in the conjugation of do, there is est as the ending and not st. And in the conjugation of as and ear, we have et as the ending. Here is the next verb, warten. That means to wait. Ich warte. Du wartest. Sie warten. Sie es wartet. Wir warten. Ihr wartet. Sie warten. Sie warten. As mentioned before, don't get scared looking at this list. You will get used to these conjugations, and with the time you will be able to conjugate each and every verb. Now let's do a small exercise. Übung. Once again, Übung. That means exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with the conjugated verb. Here is the first sentence. Ich dash Deutsch. And you have to fill in the blank with the verb lernen. And your answer should be lerne. Ich lerne Deutsch. That means I learn German. The next sentence is dash ihr in Paris. And you have to fill in the blank with the verb wohnen. And your answer should be wohnt ihr in Paris. That means do you all live in Paris? The next sentence is was dash du? And you have to fill in the blank with the verb arbeiten. And your answer should be was arbeitest du? That means what do you work? Here is the next one. Dash Fußball. And you have to fill in the blank with the verb spielen. And your answer should be spielt Fußball. That means he plays football. And here is the last one. Wir dash Deutsch. And you have to use the verb studieren. And the correct answer is wir studieren Deutsch. That means we study German. So these were the regular verbs and the verb conjugation of regular verbs. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you still haven't. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.